Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you how effective I find my Thermacell mosquito repellent. It's the rechargeable unit, and it's amazing. I have definitely not been disappointed. This was recommended to me by a friend, and I'm thrilled with it. I live in Canada, and I want to be outside in the summer, and the mosquitoes are real. It's a real problem. So when this Thermacell EX90 was recommended to me to use, I was really excited to give it a try, and I have been so impressed by it. It's scent-free, it's mess-free, and it's so easy to put together. So you just pop in the repellent refill, and then you put the lid back on. It does come with a lanyard and a carabiner, so we actually used it hanging from our string lights on the back deck. But you could use it in a tree, a tent, honestly anywhere that you wanted to hang it from. And because it's so durable and compact, it's really easy to carry, and it's also super small and discreet. Some of the features that I've really loved is that it's got a 9-hour battery. You can charge it from anywhere that you have a USB connection. And it's also so simple. You literally just push a button to turn it on. The recommendation was to turn it on about 15 minutes ahead of time, and that way you get maximum protection. It says it creates a 20-foot zone, and that's not a joke. We put it on the back deck, and literally it covered that entire area, and none of our guests had a problem.
So this is now a summer must-have for our family.
And that's my point of view.